Hi everyone, here is Leo from Google. In the traditional food processing factory, too many equipment, complex system, unclear energy consumption data. The maintenance rely on workers. Those are easy to bring downtime and production loss. How to solve this problem? Let's see how Google will give you answer. Here in our showroom is an intelligent fruit juice processing line. With Google self-developed digital platform, Gaber IoT, with this platform, the machine's operation, maintenance, and energy data can be managed processively and intelligently. Based on digital twin technology, the platform brings the production line from the workshop into the office. You can monitor and manage the entire line in real time. Any abnormal equipment is clearly highlighted on the platform with visual alerts. With the platform and advanced sensor integration, you can quickly see the status of all equipment, include alarms, scheduled maintenance, offline machines, and downtime. You can also easily track daily production completion, total water, electricity, and air consumption, as well as hourly energy trends. This provides clear, reliable data to optimize energy use, reduce waste, and solve real production challenges efficiently. Google to make food production simpler and safer.